Good morning, student. I am Ovi Ashish Kamble, the Assistant Professor of Electronics from Computer Science Department. Welcome to our e-learning platform. In a previous video, we discussed the input-output devices. Input devices, memory, and keyboard and mouse, and output devices is display. In previous video, we also discussed some types of keyboards as well as some types of displays. Now, in this video, we discuss the network access devices. A network access devices or NAD is an electronic circuit that automatically connects a user to a preferred network. More generally, a NAD is any device that when connected to provide access to a larger communication network of same sort. There are so many types of network devices: Ethernet, CAN bus, I2C, hub, switches, router, bridge, gateway, modem, repeater, and access point. But in our syllabus, there are three types of network devices are given. First, Ethernet, second, CAN bus, and third, I2C. Let's discuss all of these. First, Ethernet. Ethernet is a standard networking device used to connect computer on a network using wired connection. We already discussed the Ethernet cable. It is a simple interface and also used to connect single board computer to other devices. Ethernet can operate in a small area such as room, office, or a cabin. Ethernet is a network protocol that control data transmission of LAN network. Ethernet connect any computer or an electronic device to its network through Ethernet adapter or Ethernet card. Now next devices is CAN bus, a control area network, that means CAN. Protocol is specially developed for automotive industry. CAN is a series network which can be used to establish local connection between microcontroller in a major motor vehicle. CAN bus protocol is a two-wired half duplex system which is suitable for high speed transfer of short message. CAN was basically developed to reduce cable wiring and separate electronic control unit inside the vehicle can communicate to each other. A CAN is low cost and durable network. This is all about CAN bus. Next, last types of network access device is I2C. I2C is a two-wired half duplex serial communication protocol with multi-master and multi-slave architecture. I2C is used to interface low-speed device like microcontroller, EEPROMs, analog to digital converter, digital to analog converter, input-output peripheral, or in similar embedded devices. It was invented by the company named Philips. I2C bus is popular because it is simple and can have more than one master. I2C is used for single board and also used to connect various components which are linked via cable. I2C required only two bus lines for communication. I2C can work with any baud rate. Thank you. Keep watching my video.